Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about inequalities. So now I want to show you how to prove about this one. For this one I need to multiply by number 9 on numerator and denominator. This one by number 4 and they should be like this. Next, we can use this formula in here. So A that is about number 3, B that is about number 2, C that is about number 1, D that is about this one, E that is about this one, and F that is about this one. So we have the formula in here and they will be like this. And we know that A plus B plus C equals to number 1. And now we calculate this value in here. And we have 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.